Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English with Kavita. Do you say yes again and again in English? In today's video, we will learn 20 natural ways to agree without repeating yes. So let's get started. Absolutely, absolutely, बिल्कुल. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? आप रिप्लाई क्या करेंगे? Absolutely, absolutely. नेक्स्ट फॉर श्योर ज़रूर. विल यू जॉइन अस फॉर द ट्रिप? विल यू जॉइन अस फॉर द ट्रिप? आपका रिप्लाई क्या होगा? फॉर श्योर. नेक्स्ट नो डाउट कोई शक नहीं. इज़ दिस प्लान गोइंग टू वर्क? इज़ दिस प्लान गोइंग टू वर्क? आपका रिप्लाई होगा नो डाउट. दैट्स ट्रू यह सच है. Is it true that practice makes perfect? Is it true that practice makes perfect? आपका रिप्लाई होगा that's true. You bet बिल्कुल क्यों नहीं. Can I count on you for help? Can I count on you for help? आपका रिप्लाई होगा you bet. No worries कोई चिंता नहीं. Will everything be okay? आपका रिप्लाई no worries. That's right बिल्कुल सही. You think this is the best idea? आपका रिप्लाई होगा that's right. No problem कोई समस्या नहीं. Can you help me with this? आपका रिप्लाई होगा no problem. You got it तुमने सही समझा. So we are all set. आपका रिप्लाई होगा you got it. Well done शाबाश. Let's keep going and learn more. आपका रिप्लाई होगा well done. Great job बहुत अच्छा काम. Your hard work is paying off. आपका रिप्लाई होगा great job. That makes sense इससे बात समझ में आती है. Do you think we should start early? आपका रिप्लाई होगा that makes sense. I completely agree मैं पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ. Do you agree that practice makes perfect? आपका रिप्लाई होगा I completely agree. Exactly मैं बिल्कुल सही हूँ. Do you understand what I mean? आपका रिप्लाई exactly. You are right आप सही कह रहे हैं. We should practice every day. आपका रिप्लाई होगा you are right. I agree with you मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. English takes practice. आपका रिप्लाई होगा I agree with you. Definitely बिल्कुल निश्चित रूप से. English takes practice. आपका रिप्लाई होगा definitely. That's true यह सही है. Practice makes you better. आपका रिप्लाई होगा that's true. I think so too मैं भी ऐसा ही सोचती हूँ. This is a good idea. आपका रिप्लाई I think so too. Couldn't agree more मैं इससे पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ. Learning English takes time. आपका रिप्लाई होगा couldn't agree more. So now you know 20 natural ways to agree in English instead of saying yes every time. Which expression is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Easy English with Kavita. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Have a nice day. Bye.